Let me show you how to turn off HDR videos on Instagram. If a specific video is super bright on Instagram, the culprit is HDR. I'll show you how to turn it off. Now, first just open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. You'll be able to notice if you go into some videos, they are super vivid as HDR. But you can turn that off by tapping on the profile and then getting into your settings. So once you're in the settings of your iPhone or Android in the Instagram app, all we need to do is scroll down, and towards the bottom, you'll be able to see your app and media. We're specifically going to get into the media quality, including HDR. So just get into there, and then you can see disable display of HDR media. It says HDR media offers greater quality in areas of extreme brightness and darkness. As a result, HDR will appear brighter than the standard content, which is fairly annoying. So if this is turned on, just toggle this off.